Most people think of thyme as a simple kitchen herb used to flavor soups, chicken, or roasted vegetables. However, for centuries, thyme has also been traditionally used in natural wellness practices because of its strong aroma and plant compounds that may help support different parts of the body. Today, many adults over 50 are beginning to rediscover this powerful herb not only for cooking, but also for supporting respiratory wellness, digestion, circulation, immunity, and overall daily vitality. As the body ages, many adults begin noticing slower digestion, low energy, frequent congestion, poor circulation, and reduced immune resilience. While no herb can magically cure health problems overnight, certain natural foods and herbs may help support healthier body function when combined with good lifestyle habits. Thyme is one of those herbs that continues attracting attention because of its rich plant compounds and long traditional history. Today, we'll explore how thyme may help support respiratory health, memory, immunity, digestion, and circulation naturally, why many older adults are adding it back into their routines, and a simple thyme tea recipe many people enjoy as part of a healthy lifestyle. Why thyme has been valued for centuries. Thyme has been used in traditional wellness practices for hundreds of years across different cultures. Ancient civilizations valued thyme not only for its strong flavor, but also for its aromatic oils and natural cleansing properties. The herb contains plant compounds such as thymol and carvacrol, which have attracted scientific interest because of their antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Thyme also contains vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant nutrients that may help support overall wellness. Its warm aroma and soothing nature made it popular in teas, steam preparations, soups, and herbal mixtures designed to support breathing, digestion, and daily wellness. Even today, thyme remains one of the most respected herbs in traditional natural health practices. Thyme may help support respiratory wellness naturally. One of the most well-known traditional uses of thyme involves respiratory support. Many adults experience occasional congestion, throat irritation, mucus buildup, or seasonal breathing discomfort, especially during colder months or periods of environmental irritation. Thyme has traditionally been used in warm teas and steam preparations because its aromatic compounds may help support easier breathing and respiratory comfort naturally. The warmth of thyme tea may feel soothing for the throat, while the herb's natural oils may help support respiratory wellness as part of a healthy routine. Some adults also enjoy thyme tea during seasonal changes when breathing feels heavier or the chest feels irritated. Although thyme is not a medical treatment, many people appreciate its comforting and soothing qualities. Thyme may help support digestion. As adults get older, digestion often becomes slower and more sensitive. Heavy meals, bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort may become more common after the age of 50. Thyme has traditionally been used to support digestion because of its warming and aromatic nature. Some people find that thyme tea feels calming after meals and may help support digestive comfort naturally. Warm herbal drinks may sometimes help the digestive system relax while also supporting hydration. Many traditional cultures included thyme in soups, broths, and herbal preparations not only for flavor but also because of its digestive supporting reputation. Healthy digestion often depends on multiple factors working together, including hydration, balanced meals, fiber intake, movement, and stress management. Thyme may help support circulation. Healthy circulation becomes increasingly important with age. Many adults begin experiencing cold feet, tired legs, low energy, or feelings of heaviness that may sometimes be connected to circulation changes. Thyme contains plant compounds that may help support healthy blood vessel function as part of a balanced lifestyle. Warm herbal drinks may also encourage relaxation and hydration, both of which play important roles in supporting healthy circulation. Some adults enjoy thyme tea in the evening because the warmth itself feels comforting and relaxing after long days of physical or mental stress. Good circulation depends heavily on overall lifestyle habits including movement, hydration, healthier eating, sleep quality, and reduced smoking or excess sugar intake. Thyme may help support the immune system. The immune system naturally changes with age, which is why many adults become increasingly interested in foods and herbs that may help support immune wellness naturally. Thyme contains antioxidants and plant compounds that may help support the body's natural defense systems as part of a healthy lifestyle. Warm herbal drinks may also help support hydration, which is important for overall wellness and recovery. Many traditional wellness practices use thyme during seasonal changes because of its comforting aroma and soothing qualities. Although herbs are not substitutes for medical care, balanced nutrition and healthy habits may help support the body's natural resilience over time. Thyme and mental clarity. Many adults over 50 become increasingly concerned about memory, concentration, and mental sharpness. Stress, poor sleep, inflammation, lack of movement, and unhealthy lifestyle habits may all affect mental clarity over time. While thyme is not a cure for memory problems, some researchers continue studying how antioxidant-rich herbs may help support overall brain wellness as part of a healthy lifestyle. The calming nature of warm herbal drinks may also help support relaxation, which may indirectly benefit mental wellness and stress management. Simple daily wellness routines often help the body and mind feel more balanced over time. Why simple herbs sometimes matter more than expensive supplements. Many people spend large amounts of money chasing complicated supplements while ignoring simple daily habits and natural foods that have been used traditionally for generations. Herbs like thyme may not seem dramatic, but consistent healthy habits often matter more than expensive wellness trends. Better sleep, movement, hydration, healthier meals, stress reduction, and supportive herbs may work together gradually over time. The body often responds best to gentle consistency rather than extreme overnight solutions. Simple thyme tea recipe. Many adults enjoy thyme as a warm herbal tea. To prepare a simple thyme tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme or several fresh thyme sprigs into a cup of hot water. Allow the herb to steep for around 5 to 10 minutes so the natural aroma and flavor develop fully. Some people add lemon or a small amount of honey for additional flavor. The tea may be enjoyed warm, especially during colder weather or in the evening when the body feels tired or congested. Important reminder. Although thyme has a long history in traditional wellness practices, it is not a cure for diseases or serious health conditions. Persistent breathing problems, digestive symptoms, memory concerns, or circulation issues should always be discussed with a healthcare professional. Herbs work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle rather than as miracle solutions. Thyme may be small, but this traditional herb continues attracting attention for its potential role in supporting respiratory wellness, digestion, circulation, immunity, and overall daily comfort naturally. Its warm aroma, soothing qualities, and traditional history have helped it remain popular for generations. The encouraging news is that wellness often begins with simple consistent habits. Better sleep. More movement. Healthier meals. Hydration. Stress reduction. And supportive herbs like thyme may all work together to help the body feel more balanced over time. Sometimes the simplest herbs become the ones the body appreciates the most.